Good morning students. Lesson number 7, Soils. In previous video we learned about factors necessary for soil formation. In that we saw parent rock, regional climate, biotic material and time. So let's continue the lesson. An important component of the living world on the earth is plants. For the production and growth of plants, soil is indispensable, means absolutely necessary. Soil is necessary for the growth of plants. They provide support to plants. Vegetation is abundant in regions. Abundant means existing in very large quantities or more than enough. Vegetation is abundant in the regions that have fertile soils. For example, the equatorial regions. However, in the areas where the soils are not fertile, vegetation is scanty. Scanty means too small in size or amount. For example, in deserts. And where there is a shortage of soil, vegetation is not seen. For example, in the polar areas. The favorable climate, availability of abundant water and sunlight are necessary for the growth of plant. These alone are not sufficient. Fertile soils favor plant growth. When man realized that sowing of seeds in the soil leads to the growth of plants and yield crops. Yield means to produce crops. He started using soil as a resource. Gradually, he realized that the fertile soils along the river beds give higher yields. Hence, he settled in the valleys and started living there in groups. This led to the rise of Asian river valley civilization. For example, the Indus civilization. For the growing population, man started producing greater amount of food crops. He realized that crop production and prosperity in agriculture mainly depends on the fertility of soil and optimum availability of water. Optimum means maximum availability of water. Food crops, fruits and flowers are produced according to the types of soils. Food crops like jawar and bajra are produced in the Ragur soils of Maharashtra plateau, while soils in Konkan, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka region produced rice. In Madhya Pradesh, potato is cultivated in regions where the soils are well drained. Drained means to flow away slowly. The local agricultural produce determines the staple diet of the people. Staple diet means main food of the people. The regions where soils are not arable, arable means fit for plugging, need to fulfill their food requirements through import. For example, countries like Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Oman, etc. fulfill their requirements by importing food from China, India and the USA.